Gold and silver both have started the week with a little recovery after the sharp drop we had seen in the last trading session. So, can we enter into a buy position and where to enter and how to profit? Or if it is going to drop, what should be our ideal selling point? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do like, share, and comment, which is always a great motivation for me to deliver consistently twice a day. Let's start. First, we look into the gold and followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, look at the gold on the hourly charts. If you divide this here and if you find the candles here, see, price is shying away from the lows here, and thus 23, 16, 18 zone is going to be one critical zone. Gold needs to break in order to stay bearish. As long as it is staying above 23, 16, 18, we should be careful. It has to break below 23, 16, 18, and in fact 23, 14 levels. These three levels are going to play a major support role for gold for the day. What is happening? The prices are trading with little divergence from the 20 period moving average. It is waiting for the moving average to come down slowly. It can try to climb towards this, and at that point we will see how it behaves. So it appears that 23, 30, 35 zone is an achievable level, and possibly gold might try to retrace a little on the upside. The stochastic is rising. The MACD is also was trading with sharp bearishness, sharp divergence. It is trying to converge. I will wait for it to cross over. A crossover is only can be seen when you see a couple of strong bullish candles here, which will confirm that it crosses over and then the rise is seen here. RSI is just coming out of the oversold zone, coming to the 2 hour. Look at the 2 hour charts here. Consolidation is seen here, divergence of the price from the moving average, and now in fact this zone here at 23, 28, 32 is going to be first resistance, then 23, 36, and then 23, 40, 42. If these three levels are taken, we can say that the bulls are back in action, and a further rise towards 23, 48 levels can be seen, beyond which you can say that the prices are turning bullish. You can see this higher lows, higher highs. Look at the moment here, and thus if it reverses from the current zone, it stays above 23, 48, 50, you can say it can try to hit the highs of this channel, which are towards 2370. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is still bearish. It is trying to converge as the candle sizes have peaked. So a little convergence here means couple of bullish candles can be seen. The RSI is flattened at bottom, not indicating much. Coming to 3 hour, see, look at the 3 hour chart, the sharp drop here, the retracement, lower lows, the retracement. Now, right now, it is trying to reverse from the highs itself. It means it is trying to stay in this channel itself. And this is the channel I am talking about. If you look at, all the lows are beautifully connected and the prices are trying to reverse from these lows. Thus, possibility of it hitting the highs also exists, and if it breaks down, then certainly it should be treated as a breakout here on the downside, and a sharper crash can be seen. Right now, I can see it getting very strong support from the bottom of the channel. The stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. The MACD is trading with sharp bearishness. It may try to converge here, crossover, but right now it is not showing much signs of it. RSI is also almost at bottom. Coming to 4 hour, if you look at 4 hour chart, similarly here, first bullish candle, second candle, and see bigger tail is seen in the preceding candle, suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bearish and trying to rise. This is the third one. We have to wait for it to see. I can suggest that you can buy here at 23, 28, but then you have to be careful at 23, 32, 36, 40. These three levels are going to be critical. 40, 41.5 is the strongest resistance. Then we can look forward to 48.50. And if it breaks 48.50, then you should treat this as strongly bullish. Right now, I can see that the momentum is very sluggish. The stochastic is oversold. It can try to recover. The MACD is trading bearish. And see, the candle sizes have flattened, suggests that it can try to converge here. Means bullish candles can continue. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join my free Telegram channel for the live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort as well. Now, look at the daily charts. What has happened on the daily charts? Higher lows, higher highs. The same what we had seen on the other time frames is getting replicated here. And see, this is still under retracement. Look at this sharper fall. It has failed to break past these highs, which are sitting at around 2380. It is still under retracement. And if you look at the formation here, see, rise, retracement. This was the sharp candle, then rise, the retracement, then rise, the retracement. See, it is again and again testing the support here on the downside and trying to bounce back. So if you see at any point of time in this week, gold is staying above 2350, possibility of a stronger rise towards 2370-80 zone exists strong. Now see what has happened today. It is trying to take the support, trying to rise, but I will not treat this as a reversal. I will not treat this as bullish. Again, this is still a retracement and prices might reverse. At what point we can say that the prices may not be reversing for the day? See, it will be difficult for the gold to reverse if it breaks past 2340 today. It will be very difficult to show a complete reversal from those levels and turn red. Right now, the possibility is there that it can turn red, falling from these levels, again delivering a red candle. There is a possibility. Even if you see it's staying at 2332, 3640, as long as 2340, 41.5 is there, I can say that the reversal chances will be strong. But beyond this, again, the gold is going to stay bullish for today and for tomorrow as well. So if you're buying at 2328, you have to be very cautious here. And see, the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Band sitting at around 2328.32, making it further stronger resistance for gold to break past by. The stock is hitting the bottom. MACD, look at MACD. If you see the MACD here, look at the waves. First wave, second drop, and see, it has started to rise but has seen a sharp convergence. But remember, it has not yet crossed over, so possibility of divergence exists, which means it has to deliver a stronger bullish candle. And not only a single candle, but next 2-3 sessions also might remain bullish. RSI is almost running. Considering this, for the day, I will recommend a buy in gold at around 2328 levels, and then you can expect 2332, 2336, and 2340-42 zone as the three resistance levels. Beyond 2342, we can see a good rise towards 2348.50, and if it stays above 2350, stay bullish. We are going to look forward to a rise towards 2365, 2372, and 2384 levels as well. For the day, I do not think so that it is going to show such a strong recovery looking at the momentum as of now. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 2318, but then this complete zone between 2318 to 2314, you have to be careful. Below 2314 is where slight bearishness can be expected towards 2308, 2302, 2296, and then 2288 levels. Once it breaks below 2288, there is sharp drop awaited for gold. We can look forward to 2278, 2260, and 2240 levels very soon. For details, you can watch my weekly review as well. Now let's have a look at silver. After the sharp decline, it is consolidating here. It is trading with divergence from the 20-50 period moving average, which is sitting at around $29.80 to $30 levels, which appears to be achievable levels for silver for today. But I will not treat this as a complete reversal. See what has happened here. It was trading in this channel. It has breached this channel and it has come towards the second channel. So the median here is at around 29.80. Thus, it is very important for silver to break past by 29.80-30 zone in order to continue staying bullish. Stochastic is rising. The MACD has seen a sharp decline as well, and now after showing a sharp decline, it is trying to converge. I will wait for it to cross over for it to continue towards upside. RSI just come out of the oversold zone, coming to the 2 hour. Look at the 2 hour charts. Interestingly, a double bottom is seen and a reversal sign is seen. After sharp decline and a series of red candles, there is a reversal sign, first bullish candle. I can expect that there has to be a second bullish candle as well, which can take the prices towards 29.80 very soon. And in fact, we can look forward to $30 levels. So 29.80, $30 levels is going to be the prime resistance zone for silver for the day. Beyond $30 levels, there has to be little bullishness, taking it till towards 30.20 and 30.50 levels. Now, if you look at the move here, you will find silver has consolidated here enough before showing this rise, and it has shown a sharp decline, but I can see it delivering higher lows and higher highs. So a reversal from here is going to be equally sharp. And thus, any move beyond 30-30-20 levels should be considered as a bullish sign for silver. The stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD is trading bearish. It has to converge. It has to cross over for confirmation of bullishness. RSI is almost at bottom. If you look at 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, what has happened? Higher lows, lower highs, consolidating. But after a series of bearish candles, couple of retracement candles, very very important for silver to stay above 2960 levels in order to continue moving towards 2980 $30 levels. So 2960 65 should be ideally a good buying entry for us, but then you have to be cautious till $30 levels. Prices can reverse any point of time. If you look at the moving averages here have just crossed over. This is a 50 and 100 period crossover. The 20 period is still lying well above and trying to stay bullish. The stochastic is oversold. It may try to recover. The MACD is bearish here. It can try to converge crossover. Right now, not showing much signs of it. RSI is almost running flat. On the 4 hour, look at the 4 hour charts here. See, preceding candle, a swing candle, larger tail, a stronger push on the upside. Prices failed to stay bullish. We have seen it coming back to the zone between 29.45, 29.55, and now we are waiting for it to break on the upside beyond 29.60, 65 zone. Once it stays beyond this, certainly the bullish momentum is going to prevail and we can see a stronger rise. I will be looking forward to 29.80, $30 levels here if it stays above 29.65, 29.60 zone. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is still divergent. MACD is still bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is almost running flat here. Coming to the now, look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, lower lows are done. See, prices started to rise from this zone here at 29.50, 60, and again it has come back to the same zone. This is going to be definitely a very very good support zone, and again 29.40 levels, which is also very good support. So after showing this rise, we have seen it retracing and now again trying to reverse. So it is very very important for silver to now trade above 29.80 levels in order to confirm further bullishness. Though we can buy here at 29.60, 65, but again on the upside the resistances are also equally strong as long as $30 levels are respected. So you have to be careful here with your buying positions. On the downside, it appears a good selling entry at around 29.30 can be taken, but then $29 levels are going to be very very good support. Below 29 is where the bears will try to take over. The stochastic is dropping sharp. The MACD is bearish. It is almost flattened. It should try to converge crossover, but right now not showing much signs of it in RSI flat. So looking at this, very simple: buy at 29.65, sell at 29.35 for this 30 cents. Do not take a position below 29.35. You can expect 29.20, $29 levels is a very very good support. Below 29, it is not going to come back. We are going to look at 28.75, 28.50 levels. On the upside, a buying entry at 29.65, but then 29.80, $30 levels, very good resistance here. Then 30.25. If it breaks beyond 30.25, stay bullish for 30.55 and 30.80 levels here. Take your trades accordingly. And do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.